Coconut oil is an excellent treatment for lice, due to its high fat content and lubricating nature, making it difficult for the lice to grasp the hair follicles. It is also a natural moisturizer for the scalp, and has an antibacterial property, preventing irritation. Coconut oil is quite thick when applied to the hair, which suffocates the lice, effectively kill them and preventing them from reproducing. The viscous nature of the coconut oil also makes it difficult for the lice to move or escape from your scalp. How to get rid of head lice with coconut oil? You can treat head lice with coconut oil, but it is even more effective when you mix that coconut oil with other antiparasitic or antibacterial substances, such as garlic, apple cider vinegar, green tea, lemon, tea tree oil or oregano oil. Pure coconut oil. This is the most basic treatment. You have to apply warm coconut oil in the hair, rub it thoroughly to the roots. After carefully applying, use a comb to remove dead lice or nits. Before using another coating of coconut oil, first, shampoo the hair and dry it. After applying coconut oil, wrap a shower cap or towel overnight, at least 8 hours. The next morning, use lice comb to remove any remaining lice or nits. Coconut and tea tree oils. Tea tree oil is known as antibacterial, antiparasitic, and insecticide substances in natural health products. Therefore, it can quickly and effectively kill lice, particularly when mixing with coconut oil. You will need 5 drops of tea tree oil and about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix these two thoroughly and then apply to the hair, rub deep down to the scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap overnight. Remove the shower cap and use lice comb to remove any dead lice or nits. Shampoo your hair. Repeat this process as many times as needed. Coconut and garlic. Similar to tea tree oil, garlic includes antiparasitic and antifungal properties, makes unpleasant environments for lice to reproduce and feed. Mix fresh garlic juice into 1-2 tablespoons of coconut oil and then apply this mixture to the hair. Put on a shower cap for about an hour, let the combination do its work. Then, remove the cap and use the lice comb to pick through the hair and remove any dead lice. This is an extremely effective way to cure this annoying infestation. Coconut and oregano oil. Oregano oil is extremely strong. Coconut and oregano oil solution even more useful for lice. In a ratio of 5:1, mix coconut and oregano oils. Massage this mixture into the hair and scalp. After a 1-hour use, lice comb to remove any dead lice or nits. Shampoo your hair. Repeat this process as needed. Coconut, lemon and green tea. Combining these 3 components is a fast and powerful solution for lice treatment. Lemon is highly acidic, making for an unpleasant environment for lice, while coconut oil suffocates them, and green tea stimulates healing and anti-inflammation on the affected scalp areas. In equal ratios of 1 teaspoon, mix the 3 ingredients and then apply to the hair and scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap or towel and wait for approximately an hour. Then, use the lice comb to remove any dead lice or nits. Shampoo your hair. Repeat this process as needed.